Good evening, my brother and sister. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. That one depends on where you hear me from. For those of you who receive me for the first time, my name is Prophet Babatunde Adeboye Aladejana from Ondo State. This evening I come outside, God do this video. I titled the video, TB Joshua is a good man. And I still call this one part 2 because I don't first do one video for now. TB Joshua a good man. That says the better they go to all those days, that see crowds from different parts in the world where they come there. Even some country, if their president die, they be like TB Joshua. And I want to make them still notice, even for the burial, the open burial, the way the burial be like a part of his church, they dig grave for there, dig the grave, put her, and people are say around there. Most of them are members of his church, and his children and wife, and the disciple when they follow our work. We both this side, Nigerian people this side. Same if now people I went and see only cut this president, people they cut. I know some of them know where to be cut because they go to talk. This man I cut this man. He can medicine, he use medicine, a magician. Because the type of power, the type of grace, the type of anointing where God give her, he not give most of them pastor. I was not the heavier for. I go see the barrier as it take go. Even today will be the Thanksgiving day, what they do for the church. I see they see only a video when they play, what they don't do for the past when they play. I see they see miracle when they happen. I watch that for television for Malo TV. See that miracle again, I can't do it. Because they don't bury her. We grab put us on top. Now you can see they perform the magic today. And I know with my experience for the spiritual war, if that man has spiritual, they use medicine or a magician as they call her, as it all die so, now God for disgrace her. God knows if not they have to say, what are the television today? What are the television today? They play people see they vomit different type of sickness. And at that particular something, there people they verse for that for. People they verse for that for. Why? Because the miracle when they do, the power when you get where God give her, most of them not get the power. Most of them not get the power to perform that miracle, to perform that healing, deliverance, and not get them. Now make una dey even this period now, settle down they watch some of the video, many countries don't go. So say na RNG, all those countries they travel go, all those part of the world where they go visit, they perform miracle there. Say we both see they arrange people away for now. So president, I watch one of the video we go Jerusalem. Yes, Jerusalem. And I know say Jerusalem as I hear, that's still powerful land. So people they receive her there, they don't see get eye to see and say this man na evil person. Even the better way they do so, me I for go there. But I don't feel go because I know say if I go people see me, they will say before this man go with burial, maybe get waiting they belong to or get waiting they did. Because Nigeria, most of people for this our country don't like truth. They don't like truth now. Now make if election come for this country now, go see the wrong politician with they share money, they share different type of small thing in order to the people future. They will collect and go to vote the wrong person. And then they will go suffer for 4 years or 8 years. Because truth, many people, many of us from Nigeria, they don't like truth. A man when God sent that man to help people, to deliver people. I mean, I see what they perform. Very loyal, honest, you know the gberaga, you know the raise shoulder, you know the V big. If they go, else cannot they follow at the entire house. Or you stop motor that they open door for her, carry umbrella they follow her, they sample shoe for her. It's very simple life. So if I watch the type of loss when me say when they manage they wear, and instead they go buy the wear. So my brother and sister, may not try not to do against better person. And that is not common among Nigerian people. Most Nigerian people. criticize good person. E dey everywhere. I talk about my first video I do, the part 2 of this video I dey do so. Most people for Nigeria here, they believe say if person wey dey do bad, na be the right person. And most pastors also, when they say that they go na the day for the court, wey be say, I know most of them be say if they die today, their whole burial no dey open. Can be early morning or the midnight they will bury them. But when I see TB Joshua own as be open. If really there's some powerful secret court, as it is so no way. Come here as soon as I belong to court, different type of court. That means all those small picky court here with all those where they kill themselves for professional ones. Way before for this country, I still get some level there, for my own level. So if na really court man, society man, secret court, as he died today, as they bury, so you go see them around, and that open burial no go work. You go hear say they talk, some people wear suit or dress out, they don't inside one of the room, they don't dig ground, bury there. They say they don't bury, no be as they do so. They carry sand, they pass, they bury, they put flower, everybody they see. So my brother and sister, make we try. Anywhere they watch this video for, make we know they criticize people. Don't criticize people. Let God judge. Let God judge. Let God judge. It's very important. And my brother and sister, whether you be pastor, you be anybody, if God don't help you, if you dey survive, if you chop 3 times a day, help your neighbor. Help your neighbor. When amount is too small. If you see the life as TB Joshua die so, as he back, as he the burial dey okay, as he the back dey okay, then they call the back. Front, na the time first day. The time front day life I not talk about her, but also a good man. Because the time day life if I come out and talk about her, you go see which cannot show you this this not to get. But if you watch, the die finish, I dey talk am. The back dey okay, and I see the burial all over the world. They come there, so president they come there. Many countries they come there. When I watch some people they say call themselves Geo today. When I watch at the end of the day, most of them they die. Whether I go be like that, whether the burial will do okay this hour. And that will be the heaviness, whether they heavier for. TB Joshua na person who help the poor, help the poor, help people in pass. Is it the help the rich? I watch my state governor for maybe Ondo State man from Ondo State. Akeredolu. He say even when he pray for her, or support her after he become governor, he still come meet her, dash her money. A whole governor person win to become governor, he still give her money. So the man a very good man. For my own, a very good man. So if all pastors can be like that for Nigeria, you help widows, help small people, give scholarship, help as you feel help. All those people they go buy 4 private jet, 3 private jet, 2 private jet. One last time, watch out for Facebook. I be social media say buy under 6 months, buy 2 aeroplane. And road to a church not good. Road to a church not good. Kidnappers if they finish people for there every time. There are billions, and I don't say millions, not aeroplane not be millions of naira, na billions. If you carry 1 billion to that money, give state government say okay, this is my road. I want to make every 30 pole, base security they did there. Make they settle the matter. It go dead there. People know they lost life. Some of their members say they die first time they kidnap you. They kidnap and they carry them, they kill them, they frustrate them. But they not go do. But a person they help with people, help widow, help children, help the disabled people don't feel work out well, they help them. People they don't feel go school, they help the widow, old people, old mama, old papa, they give them food eat. They go, they kiss old man. When people, some of now I call myself, I be the really child of God. I know what you do. If they do, if they play the role where they sit to say the how Jesus still do verse the Bible. According to people they read Bible, so they tell me that's how they behave. I will see them very simple. It's that for flaw. I watched one of the for Melo TV. I watched one of the program last time. I see Hausa man we carry water bottle for side like this. When you enter a church, he carry the water bottle, he take more to the drinker. How many of Geo for Nigeria, how many pastors of it one? They refuse say the sickness go they will from there carry virus, carry sickness. Where we say TB Joshua, you not believe that way they kiss. You see people they kiss for floor. How many Jew of it do? How many big pastors of it do? Where we say like better girl, she they worry them. And those are pastors for Lagos State here. Where we say they are working still safe. Whether they be politician, I don't know. They work still where they hold. Whether they be chief, I don't know. They work still where they hold. You know, I don't believe say man of God supposed to the whole work still the worker, a pastor. Which example did they teach? I don't know. So what you make me they talk come out this evening? I be one sleep. I know say that today that they do this Thanksgiving for the church, and I still watch as small. I see me I come as I quickly still do small video to let you know say it's good to be good. I mean how they criticize a good person. Inside family dey, inside community dey, inside town dey. If you see person inside family when they try their best, na be the wish we did, na be the bad person. If you see community na person they do some meeting, so people they talk like person they come out and they talk truth among the rest, na be the devil. Yes, na be the devil. So TB Joshua live a good life and he see that his back still do okay. The burial around the world is all those way they do since last week month also. So president for some country they are better than they do okay this that one. Wetin I come and make it happen? The man dey okay. And I want to talk one thing. This church of a thing, where people they do so, what they call themselves pastor, GO, or prophet, the money where people they gather, because I know many pastors will say, where they want to start now one room, one shop they will take start. One day, not too far from my area here for Lagos State, I know I quite alright, that shop will take start. From shop, you get to shop. From there, you buy land. Before the way to happen, you buy big land. All the children say they go abroad. They dey abroad. Wife self, you don't go find wife, work for wife for abroad. They work. But if I look the members where they go since over going to 17 years now, yes, go to 17 years when the man start pastor now. I never see member when they grow. Daddy. I see where they go to pack money offering tithe this one. But that tithe and offering, the members when they go when they poor, some pastors supposed to carry that of their offering. But if you those days were they small, they go say that they kind of go give God. I don't know because they are still no say God with my old tradition and what I believe God will not see him. We not see God. God everywhere. If you dey inside bedroom or dey inside toilet or dey kitchen or dey parlor, dey inside room or nowhere God not there. But along the line, we dey believe say until we go church, that God will take answer us. And that's why some people will empty their money. You will see person they go church, carry 2,000, they share give small children. They go they take the door free, they pay tithe. And the same pastor will gather that money, and you know if it's okay. Inside the church, people dey whether they hungry, people dey they suffer, make it set community, make it set committee, whether they investigate, people when the house rent don't expire, whether they know pay common 2,000 for a room, 3,000 for a room, take they help them that to gather, take care of their children, pack their children, go abroad, go school, take care of their children. If their children still finish school, they go still come. Those members will be saying that their president, they born some of the pikin. Those children still finish school, come be the leader for the church. Those of now some of now just be the bench warmer, chair warmer, just be say or the name of say they serve God. Nowhere God not there. God there everywhere. So they talk so a day. Me not let people deceive you. Not letting any native doctor deceive you. Me not let any pastor deceive you. God there everywhere. God there everywhere. No be to go one particular prophet or particular pastor or particular native doctor that God will answer. God there everywhere. Call your God will answer you. Now hear me now they contribute at the end that will suffer. You go see person will go one church 20 years, you dey where you dey, you know they grow. You go see day condition, your church no fit help you. You get minus problem to come out 50,000 for that all those contribution and what you do for over 20 years. May I just want to support this brother, may I just want to support my sister. They don't fit one. When they go see person they do when they do good, they go say na bad person, na evil, na this one. I said today now, I watch Emmanuel TV. I see where under the television they play, the under the television that they watch for the church. With the TB church, pray with TB church, I don't pray before. After they don't better yesterday, Everybody look out for Emmanuel TV. move on Facebook. As they don't better finish yesterday, they played the waiting don't talk before they play yesterday for inside the church for television. Everybody they look television, really they go, they take on. While so church day, people just they go say they say that's salvation, they want to go heaven. That guy they don't perform anything healing there. Nothing like healing. Until I say made they do something, made they say this one his life change. Prayer made this life this person's life change. No. All the suffer for life, enjoy for heaven, and then they preach for person. All sit down, other television, everybody they watch for church today. Everybody people they vomit sickness with their body. Only the video, only the what TB Joshua, Prophet TB Joshua do before when they wash. People today, Emmanuel TV now wash live. For the thanks service, they call it. After person they don't do better video. So the people they go church, they go do thanks service. You hear me so? So my brother and sister, me will try to love our neighbor. Love with TB Joshua, but you know be the born with them. You know practice them. If you want when I go look the old video and start, they laugh, we see they laugh, they play with children today. How many of your GO, your children feel near? As a member of a church, how many of una GO, una children feel touch a cloth? Feel near, feel laugh with. Don't be to they behave like that they get a key when they open heaven for person to enter. Now they go church. If you happen to want to go church, all those years, TB Joshua church I forgo. But due to my work, I know if they go there. But I believe in God. I know they go church. But the way the man they behave, if they say for this earth now so I know judge I'm be saying that what I talk so can I go ever. Now the judgment now God the judge person, but make we say person good, human be fit talk am. The person good though, a person bad though, what you see so far you not talk, what you not see but meanwhile they come as and I say TB Joshua na good man. Now what I see they do at the Lagos State here, from a place to a place, not far to the church. I know what people they receive. I know what people person not get widow. I know what they collect from the church. I know people are students. I know what if you get opportunity to meet her, I know scholarship will give person to go school. I know what you don't do. You don't know me. I know what you don't do. I feel I know I become a popular person, but you don't know me. So my brothers and sisters, we will see truth for we will talk am. And make this our country not good. We don't like truth. We don't like truth. Most of us don't like truth. Now hear me? Today now, I busy yesterday. I know some pastor go. I see some big pastor when they go, but some popular GO from Lagos State to Ogun State where me I know quite alright. When they're supposed to go give her last respect, they not go. Why? I mean, as I did so, I still get some native doctor. I'm a society person. I know some of my members will die today. It was in those state to Ondo State. I'll go give her respect. April I go to Ogun State. One of my Yabi die. Whether the 25th of April. Yes. So that then I do live video there. He died. I go Ogun State. I go give her last respect. But pastor now, I don't know the good example good example at the show. I don't know the good example at the show. That's why if I go for us I go see person go say, take this paper. I go tell say, come, I be society person, I be bonio, I be native doctor. They go wrong. I will tell you what I be. Because unaji or not a show example where will make me know say this one na God work they do. They don't show. Now me talking, I say worry me. See, I go home. Say I don't feel go there because if I go, people when they know me go sit up. Say I be this man get connection with this man. I don't get connection with them. When I say I say I open barrier. If a person get connection with self, they don't fit do open barrier. And I say room they go better. Now let members go there. You hear me? So it's good to be good. All those pastor Abiji or whatsoever, I know see good example in a show concerning TB Joshua. Where I would say that they serve God. I don't judge anybody when they serve God. from where dey so Lagos State to Ogun State, I know many GO, I know many BB pastor wey dey dey. I no fit go to even today when they do Thanksgiving for the church. When I sef go there, I know some people go. I still see one big pastor like that Abiara dey there. Even some days back, I see this one man from Warri Jeremiah dey there. I see many people like that. But GO, as they serve the same God, I be God dey different. I be as fake members they call now, God of this one, God of this one, God of this one. You hear they call this popular pastor, they will say, members say, God of this one, God of this one, God of this one, God of this one. All of them they worship God of Uma be. If you see one big pastor for here now, GO for here they go. If you remember one caller, God of so person. If they want to call this pastor, God of so person, all those black-footed members. After they see call the house of beg native to money. So many of the use sense so once I've got God everywhere. But this one of those people do so, they disappoint me. Once they disappoint me, they will see go there, go honor. Give her last respect. Either yesterday they bury them or today maybe Thanksgiving ceremony when they do, or they do them Thanksgiving that they call them. They're supposed to go there, see go give her, go there, see make them know see the president. They sit down because they not go die. This death, where would they see so? If you talk to a person today, he will die tomorrow. That's why they tell people now they do. But even me when they talk now, I can sleep and not wake up because the time don't reach. No medicine the whole person. When people they be wrong person, they say, person, na evil man, that's why I die. As if I die tonight, oh, people say, it is society, na make I not last. Person where they born today, not they die. You can born person today, he died today. Because they die as a belly. But today, everybody, any time, 90% if they die. As best they call life, everybody don't know the type of death we go kill her. But me, if I die today, not be who she kill me, who she not fit kill me. I know village where my mama come from, I know where my daddy come from. But I stand today, I know what I don't pass through. So if I die today, I go see my time don't reach. But make we nobody that death, where they see so, that death. Everybody for this world hold debt. Everybody for this world hold debt. Nobody. That's why you say debt, no king. You know no Oba. You don't get respect for anybody. You don't know Chris person. If death don't come, else you see they breathe. You still get spirit within your body. If death don't come, when one collect God also come oh. Your time don't show because we be like person they say movie train. Maybe this life of this movie train as train they move so as so it be. As motor, as do bus they move. Molo they move. If we reach our bus stop with the conda, and so like this will be. Debt, na debt na gbese. So everybody hope for this war. No see person die make you dey laugh am. You no laugh anybody will die because you no fit escape am. If you like reach 200 years old, reach 150 years old, one day you must answer that call. So, but the way Christianity, the way they practice their own, we will be native doctor, we know they practice like that. Because me now, as I say so, even though this person they say Nigeria hard in a heart, as I get some of my member when go die today, or any of my member die today, I must go. Go, no matter where far. So far that person we don't, maybe we worship for the same place. Worship of different society, different place of worship. But if now me I don't worship where they know me, branch full everywhere. One person called Dyson. And if I hear that one will touch me, I will go give her my last respect. Because if my house self don't reach, that person will still give me my last respect. But this morning they criticize, so you do like this. Make now look as you better be today. Since last Monday. When I see the whole world, no corner of the whole world where they come. Nobody say to say, I don't know what I want to go do. When I see the whole world, they falling. The whole different parts in the world, different countries, they falling. After the man don't die, they don't say what I will go do. The man don't die. They still come, still cry. He shoot herself 3 daughters say get with your wife. Cry, remember self they cry. The family not cry because he paid them. They know what they gave for them. Individual, all those people when they cry, so most of them know what they miss. How many GO will die today when their member will cry? for this country. Now they are member, when I know. Because I know some member they see the top bad of their OGO. I talk about my last video last time. I get one church, big church. I never mention the pastor name. In Diogo State. The master guy at least. I say, yeah, I know see I'm. They say get 4 private jet, I be 3. Member, one of the member, Papa. They drive one of my boss before. Before because they don't hold. Spanish called the painter. Where's the painter? He's a papa of 80-something years. He said David the man started trying to start together with the man. Even at the university, he worked there. But even at the end of the day, he said pick the ball for the president when they give an image on me there. When the man open branch for South Africa, now the picky go put for the branch. And some of his picking, this papa so na data man, some of his children, senior that picking, and they day with the TB Joshua. I say the day with the pastor when they start together for Good State. Now you know if you put that one picking for for the branch with South Africa, now your picking, now the pastor picking where they born for your president for the naming ceremony. If you talk like I'm all this way, senior me. Yeah. If I talk like the data my papa say that the president do naming ceremony of that picking, and then the picking be the branch for South Africa. For South Africa, and the picking be the pastor, the head of the church. Because they do as a business. Those days you will say, God call this one, but now you see pastor carry all your children put for the old branch. So God will call you still call all your children. As I do this work, so I go say I get children. And so all of them they go audit. No, people even when they do about it, we check star. Those days when I want to do this work, my mother colleague was here, God give me money. I still don't want to pay 100 naira for Lagos State. More doubts. Many people know me for there. For Lagos State here. I don't take for Lagos State. And then more doubts they pay 100 naira. My colleague was going to give me 7,000 by day. So I come also. If I like I do I say not do me, I can't do it to call Osu for Isha. We don't call Osu. If you're initial person here, don't call Osu, they know the meaning. Now this is them and this don't take. This one I left find this thing. So I call we don't call Osu. We can do the color be like na pot. They will buy some things, they prepare for person. They will say go put that for us. Whether you do a balance, don't do a balance, your road will open. Yes, my colleague was giving money, say me I come. Understand me? So, but this time around, you see pastor born 7 children. They will carry 7 children put for pastor. Even if you get this side, when you born, if you still marry the girl, will be pastor. The girl will be pastor. What are the members you call? So come we call you, we'll call the whole. Come we call you, we'll call the whole children, call the whole son-in-law. It's too much now. And now when I self not the when I not the reason, all of now will put head. Gio, if you say me na eat, then I go eat. So we say, so pastor word. Now my left at the whole, I know why use that chop. Now my left, all your children go finish school since 2000. I get why finish school whether 2000. Yeah, yes, 2010. Around 1990, around let's say 1998. Person will finish school 1998 till now, you not get work. And you dey go church, you dey say, tell me say your pastor or papa, he words na you dey hold her for left, you know I use and chop. I know your children not get head. And that one children, they don't put her for the whole post for the church. But the man will go marry the daughter, they still put her for pastor. I'm gonna try, make una dey show good example. That's why I say the person will preach. Which preach one preach for me? You show good example. You get life where you dey live. I must not come out from my holy. Get life where you dey live. Me like my children now. Where first day they go church there. When I see my wife and children, when I see this year, they say, oh, let's that church. So that church where we dey before na the trekker go enter there. Now you go see enter Marwa or enter bus. If you go break leg, you go say because of that. When I find church for this my area, they say no, they not feel going on for this. I say if I so men I stop till today, yeah, I not go again. I say no. You say what did they do? If I not go church for this area, men I stop. I stop them. Because men not cause say children, I get children. Men not go bless. I say I want to first they put for my whole life. That's why I allowed them before. As I said no, if you go church for this area, men I sit down for us. Everywhere, God there everywhere. Understand me? But me I know they go. I dey practice my own. I serve my own God in my own way. When I believe, when I love my labor, I love my neighbor as my own self. My neighbor, I love as myself. As you see me, so I know how many, I know place myself, I know how many junior ones, different people, who do they save money, or they might abroad, millions of naira. Anyone who say I chop money may come out of life video, me talk. Who go swear. I could save millions of naira. Millions of naira, I could save them. You hear me? If you ask of your money, I'll give you. Yeah. So if you be pastor or GO, men they show good example. Men are not the help you yourself. Competition. Nobody say God and serve. And how many God they say they not God they want me I know. The God of the creator of heaven and earth. I know, but now because of population I get, they don't talk and say God of so person. You hear God of this one, God of that one, God of this one. That's how they hear Meba because at the Lagos are not there. Lagos one, the area of Lagos they are not there for VGC, are not there for Ikoyi, are not there for JR, are there for WST population many. I hear they. So I will hear Meba will say God of this, God of that, God of this. You know good, when I try to stop. Now God, now one God everybody they look up to. You understand what we know they see. I talk last time, get one popular Geo. When say if person curse her, no problem. But if he curse your wife, I will tell my Baba God, make he kill the person. I will still tell my Baba God, make put her for fire. I no blame her because the way that they carry her, the way that they carry the man, as he like say, I be assistant God, or I go key. As a presence, so they raise her, they carry as the population, they present. Israel will look himself say, I be the God. And maybe now God give her a key to open heaven and open fire. You will judge everybody. See TB Joshua will be good person. Where I know quite what I say a good person. Since where dies, all those things I know as they this one second video they do for her. I don't believe any pastor. If you got the letter, but for now, I don't believe any pastor will die today. I will come out and say they talk about her. If myself die, many people not talk of me. Now yeah, but TB Joshua is a good man to the core. He see that finish today, they see they play what he don't do before for his church. After they don't better yesterday, people see they heal. But most of them don't get that power and I deceive now. One day say they raise champion. And I know say many champion. I get one or they go to church for 15 years. 50 years. I don't pass 15 years now. 17 years. They go to church. Till today, I don't laugh at them. You see the way they. But that man say they raise champion. All the name of say their reward there. They will suffer for this life. When I continue, the end shall tell.